What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete messages from Instagram. Firstly, scroll on your right side to get up to the main point of this video or to get up into the chat sections. Now select a person that you want to get up through deleting messages, for example this one. Go type for hi. And now, how do you delete this message? Simply go select tap and hold on it. Then, as you can see here, you have the option more, but with more option you don't gonna get up to delete it. Firstly, get up again, click hold on it, and here on the second selection you have unsend option. Click on that, and as you can see, unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but they may be still included if the conversation is reported. Okay, now that means that we have deleted this message from Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.